If you work in marketing or growth, you know the loop. Open GA4, build your exploration, export a CSV, clean up the columns, paste it into Claude, write your prompt, get your analysis, and then realize you need a different date range or a different breakdown. So you go back to GA4 and start again. I'm going to show you how to break that loop. We are connecting Google Analytics 4 directly to Claude using Smashion's MCP connector with no credit card, no subscription, all for just free. You can get live GA4 data inside your conversation in plain English without leaving the tab.
You need two things, a Claude Pro or Team plan, because custom connectors require one of those, and a free Smashion account. No Google Ads account, no API keys, no credit card to get started. Smashion handles the Google connection on the backend. Your link to sign up for a free account is given down in the description. Just click on that and get started free. To create an account, it takes under 2 minutes. Once you're in, you'll land on the Smashion's dashboard. You will see your credit balance here. Every free account starts with 30 credits per month automatically. Find your MCP connector URL in the dashboard. It will look like this. Copy it. You will need it in the next step.
Please connect your Google accounts to unlock GA4 and Search Console tools into Claude. This will redirect you to your Google accounts for approval.
Go to Claude AI. Go and open Settings. Navigate to Connectors. Then click Add Custom Connector. In the name field, type Smashion. In the remote MCP server URL field, paste the URL you just copied from your dashboard and click Add. Claude will redirect you to a Smashion sign-in screen. Enter your Smashion email ID and password, then authorize the connection. Once that's done, the connector will show as active in the settings panel. That's it, the setup is complete. One thing worth noting here, once you connect through Claude AI, the connector also works automatically in Claude Desktop and Claude Core. You don't need to repeat this process. Open a new conversation in Claude.
Always start with list all my GA4 properties. Claude returns every property linked to your Google account with their property IDs. You'll need this before running any query. Now, I'm going to check the traffic analysis by giving this prompt, which says, get GA4 data for my property for the last 30 days. Breakdown sessions and active users by sessions, source, and median. Claude pulls the report live from your GA4 property. Follow up immediately in the same conversation, filter by source, ask which channels are declining, or request a comparison to previous period. All without leaving a same chat. Now you can see all the data has populated on the chat. You can also extract data for real-time monitoring, period-over-period comparison, and also channel performance. Example prompts will be given in the description section.
We will be adding more tutorials on how we're building data workflows inside Claude on different platforms. If you have any questions or any feedback, please leave them on the comment section. Thank you.